Audi just unveiled its biggest SUV ever. But here's what makes it so surprising. It isn't just larger than the Q7. It isn't just more luxurious. Because at the top of the lineup sits the all-new SQ9, a full-size family SUV with enough power to embarrass some sports cars. So, has Audi finally built the ultimate luxury SUV? Let's find out. For years, Audi watched rivals like the BMW X7, Mercedes-Benz GLS, and Range Rover dominate the full-size luxury SUV segment. Now it's finally fighting back. Introducing the all-new 2027 Audi Q9, the largest and most luxurious SUV Audi has ever produced. Built on Volkswagen Group's premium platform combustion architecture, the Q9 is longer, more spacious, and significantly more premium than the Q7. With 3 rows of seating, a modern luxury cabin, and a commanding road presence, it's designed for buyers who want maximum comfort without stepping into an ultra-luxury brand. But while the standard Q9 focuses on refinement, the real star of the show is the SQ9. Under the hood is a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing an incredible 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Power is delivered through Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Despite its size, the SQ9 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. That's performance most people would expect from a sports car, not a 3-row luxury SUV. Audi didn't stop with the engine. The SQ9 also comes equipped with adaptive air suspension, all-wheel steering, and an advanced active suspension system, allowing it to deliver impressive agility while maintaining the smooth, comfortable ride expected from a flagship SUV. Inside, the technology is just as impressive. Drivers are greeted by Audi's latest curved digital display, an available passenger touchscreen, premium leather throughout the cabin, digital matrix LED headlights, OLED rear lighting, and the newest generation of hands-free driver assistance technology. It's a cabin designed to feel as advanced as the vehicle itself. Of course, luxury and performance don't come cheap. The Q9 starts at around $88,000, while the high-performance SQ9 begins at approximately $119,395, placing it directly against the BMW X7 M60i, Mercedes-AMG GLS, and Range Rover. And that's exactly where Audi wants to be. Instead of simply making a bigger Q7, Audi has created an entirely new flagship that combines luxury, technology, and performance into one package. For buyers looking for a premium 3-row SUV, the Q9 offers comfort and practicality. But for those who want all of that, with nearly 600 horsepower under the hood, the SQ9 is the one to watch. So, what do you think? Would you choose the luxurious Audi Q9, or would you spend more for the 591 horsepower SQ9? Or would the BMW X7, Mercedes-AMG GLS, or Range Rover still be your first choice? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive news, future car reveals, and in-depth reviews.